What's up, fam? Aaron Higgins, New England Fire Cooking here, back for another quick one, and I'm about to knock out some seriously easy and fast chicken wings. And let me tell you something, you can do this on any grill. You can do it on a gasser, you could do it on just a cheap little charcoal grill, you can do it on a Weber kettle, that's ideal. And you can certainly do it on you can stab it with a stick and you can cook it over a fire. I don't care what you do, but it's going to be real easy to cook these chicken wings. It's going to be perfect, crispy texture, just what you'd expect right out of the deep fryer, but we're going to be doing it on the grill. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, so we got some chicken wings here, and what I did was I just gave them a slow thaw in the fridge, and then I chucked them in this bowl, and I layered it up a little bit, get some paper towels on them. You want to get these dry, okay? Very easy. Get them dry. Next, we have cornstarch. What you're going to do is you're going to lay all of these wings down in this pan of cornstarch. This is what's going to give you your crispy texture like you would expect to get out of a deep fryer, okay? Very important. We're going to lay down a couple dozen of these, and we're going to get them cooked right up on the Weber kettle. We're going to be using a Vortex today, and that is going to basically turn the Weber kettle into a big charcoal air fryer, and that's glorious. So I'm going to get all these, both sides, tossed in cornstarch, and after that, we'll see you down at the grill. Okay, you guys, here we are. We got this Vortex fired up right in the Weber kettle. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to give these grates a quick dose of cooking spray. Try not to get any blow-offs. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get these wings right on. I'm just going to set them nice and even right around this Vortex. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get this Weber kettle closed, and we're going to let it go to work. Okay, you guys, our wings are looking all kinds of good here. And now what I want to do is I want to begin to start flipping these. We're right at that point. We can start flipping them over. Okay, you guys, now this right here is what I want to see. Nice golden brown wings, and they are ready to come off. Okay, you guys, as you can see, we got 3 plates of wings here. First one here, this is our barbecue, and we use the famous Dave's Sweet and Zesty for this one. Over here we got a buffalo, and of course, Frank's Red Hot Wings, perfect. And then right here, this is the wild card. I haven't tried this sauce yet. I've tried a tiny dab of it on my tongue, but this came from a coworker of mine who grows a lot of his own hot peppers. And this is what he calls a cherry bomb glaze, and it's made with Carolina Reapers, and he said it's hot. And I can tell you, the little dab that I put on my tongue definitely let me know it was there. So this is from my buddy Wayne, and I'm going to call this Wicked Wayne's Cherry Bomb Glaze. So now, of course, I gotta give this a shot. Okay, you guys, I'm feeling froggy, so I'm gonna go with one of the Wicked Wayne's Carolina Reaper Cherry Bomb Glaze. Here we go. What I gotta say is, nice and crunchy right off the bat. That cornstarch gives you a beautiful, whoa, that is hot. Okay, good flavor, but it is definitely hot. Not too hot for me. This is very well done glaze. But back to what I was saying about the cornstarch. Cornstarch is the trick for doing wings on the grill, guys. Got to tell you. You got to toss them in cornstarch, and you can grill them straight out. I've done them a bunch of different ways. You can grill them right on a gas grill. You can grill them right on a charcoal grill. You can use the Vortex, which is what I use tonight with the Weber kettle. That's ideal. But, you know, it's a win. It just gives it a really crisp. Yeah. Gives it a very crisp texture. It's just like fried chicken. And, man alive. This glaze is nice and sweet, but holy smokes, does it deliver some heat. But once again, it's not too much heat for me. I like this a lot. Wayne, good job, buddy. I'm gonna have some more of these. Got a bunch of people waiting to try these out, so I'm gonna serve these up right now. But listen, guys, if you like what you see here, and you like what we're doing on this channel, give us a subscribe. Check us out on Instagram. Check us out on Facebook. Thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.